In this video, I'll show you how to use named page setups in AutoCAD to simplify plotting and keep your print settings consistent across projects. Start by opening the Output tab and launching the Page Setup Manager from the Plot panel. From there, click New to create a named page setup and give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. You can even base the new setup on an existing one to save time and avoid re-entering common settings. Inside the Page Setup dialog, adjust options like paper size, plot area, orientation, and printer configuration to match your workflow. Once saved, the setup can be applied to layouts instantly, making future plotting much faster and more reliable. If you ever need to update a setup, simply return to the Page Setup Manager and use the Modify option. Named page setups are especially useful for teams or large projects because they help maintain consistent print standards. Taking time to organize these settings properly can reduce plotting mistakes and improve efficiency significantly. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you design smarter and work faster in AutoCAD.